Sonny.
And I'm Austin.
And you're watching the Lure Discovery.
Right now, we just crossed McDonald Pass. We are heading to Missoula to go pick up my kayak, which has finally arrived after about 3 weeks of it being lost in the different orders. It's pretty snowy right now. I told them I didn't really need it currently, unless I want to go sledding with it, so not too big of a deal. Weather's not too bad. Roads are pretty good. But yeah, come along with us.
Yeah, we're excited to take you over to Missoula today, and you know, pick up the other half of our flotilla here. So excited to take you along and enjoy some of the scenery on the way. These are a few shots from the Lewis and Clark History Museum. We took a visit last weekend and kind of wanted to go see some of the historical guns and equipment that the guys used when they had the journey out west. We just want to add some of these clips to the video. Thought people might find them interesting. These last few shots are some drone footage of my dog messing with my drone. I thought people think this is kind of funny. Anyways.